Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
Okay, I'd just like to see 8 Petit Changement, really working the feet, stretching them, landing through the feet with the heels down. Bobby will demonstrate for us. I'll count you in, Bobby. A 5, a 6, a 7, and 8. Accent down. A 2, fully stretch. A 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, thank you. Okay, Bobby, we're going to finish off with our grand finale, the Grand Allegro. So we're going to start croisé with the right leg dégagé derrière, arms demi-second, going across the stage, petit développé, tombe, pas de bourrée, big glissade, and a flick jeté with the arms, third arabesque, that's jeté with the développé, lifting our focus, landing, stepping across to coupé over, then we're going to go the other direction, left leg, tombe, pas de bourrée. Big glissade, we want to put the brakes on and we're going to do a grand pas de chat. So we're going to think up, straight up, rock it up. I want to see knees back, feet underneath you, arms fifth, land fifth. Then we go third crossing, tombe, pas de bourrée. Big glissade, brakes on, another grand pas de chat. And then our final crossing, stretch the foot, glissade and flick jeté, arm third arabesque, and you can run off into the wings after that final jeté. Take a breath, feet stretched, glissade, up, good. Use your plie, straight up, knees back, good. Again, knees back, feet under, and tombe. Big exit, lift, focus, and run.